What's up, everyone, to another video of Full Speed and Pulse. And while we're waiting on parts on finishing our big bore for our XR100, we figure why not get this clutch done and get it installed. We got a heavy duty clutch from TB Parts to install this thing. TB Parts coming in clutch all the time for us guys, hooking us up. Let's get at it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually unwrap your brand new clutch, which will come in packets of like this, these are your disc plates. Then your other package will be your fibers. You're going to want to soak that in oil before you start this project. That way, by the time you go to install this, you'll be ready to go. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find a flathead laying around. And we're going to try to pry this up from somewhere. And before you start this project, make sure that your oil is drained. All right, split pretty easy there. Ugh. Your springs here, you will not be using these. You will get new springs in your kit, which is what makes it heavy duty. Okay, we got a retaining clip right in here. These things look pretty worn down, so good thing we're replacing this. All right, put that back in there like that. All right, guys, we're going to put our fibers back in here, our brand new ones. There's one. And then on your disc plates, you're going to have a sharp edge, and then you're going to have like a rounded edge. Put that sharp edge towards the motor. We're going to line our teeth up with your basket here, so then when you go to put everything back together, it goes together good. And it is as simple as that. All right, we're gonna put this piece on. All right. Looks like it's all the way on. So I like to do with these clips, whether pliers or something like this, kind of just like bend them in a little bit. Try to get that tightness back a little bit. Don't want to go too much or you'll end up breaking the clip, which also means when you go to put it back on, just expand it enough to where you can get it on. Just like that. We're going to take our flathead. Let's make sure that it is seated. Yep, that's good. New springs, just like so. Put your plate back on and make sure you don't cross thread these bolts. So push it down. Ooh, she's tight. Okay, that one's in. Just kind of go back and forth like this till you get it almost tight. Nice thing about using a small impact driver, an old M12, is there's not a lot of torque. So doing small engines like this gives you a little bit more forgiveness and not stripping stuff out. 102 inch-pounds or 9 foot-pounds is your torque specs. Put a little screwdriver in the gear here just to keep it from spinning. That's good. And if it clicks right away, you might want to back that bolt out a little bit because you might have already over-torqued it. We're just going to double check here. All right, that's good. Alrighty, everyone, so that's how you install a heavy-duty clutch on your XR100. We're not going to put the case cover back on. You guys will be able to figure that out. We're actually going to paint ours with KBS Bed Renew is what we do on all our side cases on our bikes because it holds up so well and it's durable. And if you want to see what that looks like, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we are doing a full XR100 build from the frame up, doing a lot of nice good hop-ups and all that. So it'd be great if you guys are doing a build yourself and want some advice or want to see kind of what we're doing to compare to what maybe you would want to do to your bike. But either way, it's going to be a fun build, guys, and the videos are being posted as we speak. I appreciate you guys watching, and until next time, we'll see you later.